Oh wait, stop.
Really?
You got broke. Lewis, give me a minute.
Really?
You're pressing the space key.
Oh, you read. I can do this. Hey, hi.
Who are all the previous people? What? The reason why I would buy a Mac. Oh, what the fuck? Dancing the room.
Unfortunately for you, we couldn't get to Callum, so instead we all pretended to be Callum.
It won't do me! Oh, no. Yeah! No!
Imagine what Callum looks like on this.
Just the moon.
What's happening to man on Luke's face? Kind of man. Well, that was a great one. I'll put it in the photo.
Oh, wait, we're recording.
Yeah. Ow.
I want to know why I've got a big.
I wonder what you got it.
Hey,
I want a drink.
It's like I was
Just gonna have a drink my coffee here.
Let me in.
What's wrong with your hand? Oh god. That forehead.
You look like Doofenshmirtz.
Where's Betty the Platypus? Betty, is that you? No one will have my coffee.
Hey, how you doing? My name's Fred.
Hey guys, I can bend my fingers the other way.
Go to a doctor, Lewis. That's not normal. Holy fucking.
Oh my god, my finger. I broke my finger, guys. I broke my finger.
I come from China.
It's funny because on the other camera, this is just gonna look like we're fondling each other. Look how long that finger is.
I don't talk any English.
E.T. phone.
My fingers have super stretchy ridges.
Oh,
come on! Let's become one!
E.T.'s phoning home like a pro now.
Holy God!
The perfect curve.
I've not seen anything with too many hands.
Oh.
I'm not gay!
Look at my diamond ring.
Oh, what the fuck is that? What's wrong with my hand in the background?
I need to go
Why
to
have I
the
got a
nose.
massive lump? Look, I've just got a massive lump on my hand.
Yeah.
I was going to say something really horrible about what it looks like, but I won't do that. What about my arm?
What the hell is up with my hand?
Everyone move, everyone move, everyone move, everyone move. Ah! What the? Elastic Man.
My penis is in your bum now.
What?
Well, if my penis is just as stretchy as everything else, then I guess it's in... And guys. Wait, what did Lewis do?
Oh!
Can't do it in the
my
video,
God.
he says.
Whoa, look how
What time is
crazy
it?
that is.
What?
That, look how crazy it is.
I know, right? How's that serious?
You're recording. You spacker. Ellis, fuck off.
Get close up.
I have to tell you a secret.
Look at the camera. That's scary.
Really goose. Go, goes, dirty you. Oh, that's right up there.
Hi there. Today we're going to be singing a moose song.
There was a moose,
There was a moose,
and he drank a lot of juice.
and he drank a lot of juice.
There was a moose,
There was a moose,
and he drank a lot of juice.
and he drank a lot of juice.
Singing whoa,
Singing whoa,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh. Why do you have to do the headphone? Why not?
The moose's name was
His name was
and he drank his juice in bed.
And he drank his juice in bed.
The moose's name was Fred,
His name was Fred.
and he drank his juice in bed.
And he drank his juice in bed.
Singing whoa,
Singing whoa,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh.
He always drank with care,
He always drank with care,
but he spilled some in his hair.
but he spilled some in his hair.
He always drank with care,
He always drank with care,
but he spilled some in his hair.
but he spilled some in his hair.
Singing whoa,
Singing whoa,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh,
way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh.
He's
Give me a
a
big
sticky
head.
moose
He's a sticky moose
with a belly full of juice.
with a belly full of juice.
He's a sticky moose
He's a sticky moose
with a belly full of juice.
with a belly full of juice. I'm gonna josh you down. Don't tell me. I'm only small. Singing whoa,
Way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh,
way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh. Don't need me again. Okay. Tumor. Wow. That's a door. Good day.
Carotene, carotene, oh yeah, carotene, 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 oh sweet carotene.
I love it.
The exchange of gases and water vapor.
See you later. Just joking.
What do you want to know now?
The articles.
What do you want to know now?
The articles.
Listen to it from the beginning.
Horticles.
Articles.
It's like one of the, you have to pull that face when you say
Articles. Record.
What did you do to him?
This salmon just tastes like shit.
Oh god, you rubbed my back then, it made me feel so weird.
Seriously.
Excuse me.
Oh, I thought I found you guys here.
J1.
What?
Can I just get my leg?
Hey.
What about your phone?
Thank you, lesbian.
What are we doing, guys?
Titanic.
Science work.
Keep on.
I'm on a video. You can't come in. I'm in. I'm in.
Well, Joseph, I'm gonna have to. You're not editing me out.
My doo-doos are so melodic. My doo-doos melodic.
Always clean the lady cannon. Are you waking up my boat foot?
Yes.
I have no Dr. Pepper left, dude. So I have Pepsi.
Mine. Lewis.
I'm just gonna check.
Emo Lewis. He has no opinion.
Yeah.
Apart from that Dr. Pepper, if you want that one.
Look amazing.
I have
Do you want
feelings.
this one instead, Joe?
I've actually got pork pies mainly because I realised that they exploded in my bag.
Alice,
Maybe you should do this outside.
Just
I just met you, and this is crazy. Pork pie.
My name is Senya Emotional. I am very emotional.
Have fun.
Right, let's go.
I slip my wrists and don't touch me.
Black Veil Bride number 6.
I play the triangle, but in death metal triangle, it goes dong, 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 dong. This is why I like my head. I like it.
This is why you don't play the triangle in the band. Joe, you're not allowed to stay.
I enjoyed the photos, yes.
Joe,
I don't
you're not allowed to stay.
Why?
Why? Because you're not allowed more than 4 people in here.
Okay. I was just in here a minute ago.
Yeah, exactly. So if there's 6 people in here, then we're probably going to get told. Callum.
Jazz,
Should've-
bass.
I'm slowly losing feeling in my leg.
This is making you hot.
Do you like it? Clean.
Do you want to even out on the other one? Oh, there you go, there you go.
So what would you like for Christmas, Fat Fox?
I'll have cake.
I'll have... I want a bass guitar and I want to play it.
Jazzy.
I want to get...
7.
Nobody not
I want to get an awesome
Jazzy
guitar.
Guys,
I want to get an awesome
God,
guitar.
I feel frightened that my knee's going to go up both of your asses.
No. Dance, 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 dance.
No, I can feel,
Yeah,
my,
this
I can
one.
feel my knee slightly going up yours, Luke.
That's why I'm sat sideways on his thigh. Just so nothing happens.
You need to go, Joe.
Why would you do it to my sweet tender
I want
ass?
to go.
Yeah, you've got to the
What was the recording about a minute ago?
leaves.
We're doing our science work.
Wait, why
Bullshit,
do
you
you have to
science
go?
work.
I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you. Girl, don't forget me. La, 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 la. Sometimes you love and lost, and sometimes it hurts to be.
Ball smack!
Not again.
Well, let's eat it.
Oh, yeah, get anyone better than ages.
That's really cool.
I can't breathe.
I think I've cracked one of my ribs and I can give myself a blowjob now.
No.
Posh boy. This is the posh boy, everybody.
Every single second time.
Why are you looking
What the hell?
That's disgusting.
Oh!
That's what you're doing. No! That's disgusting. Why?
It's just an elephant.
Batman poop.
Let's go. Let's go. Joe, like, so. I want to
Isn't that a
stay here.
burrito?
No, it's India pooper.
It's like a burrito.
Oh, that's not good.
Ow.
Get rid of it.
We've just been looking at poo.
If you didn't realise.
Imagine what all this looks like on camera.
It's just you're screaming at the camera.
Put it on Put it on iMovie and slow it all down.
Yeah.
No, put effects on. Oh, leafy leaves are green. Oh, leave the leaves, let them be. Did you say something?
No.
Oh, leafy leaves are green. Oh, leave the leaves, let them be. Oh, leafy leaves are green. Leave the leaves, let them be. But why are they green?
I went to Carolina.
Yeah, so this.
My mama drives my driver.
Ah!
I want my sister suck on my dick because she is a bitch.
Hurry, child.
I'm hurrying as much as I can humanly hurry. I'm sorry. No. It was rough. Can't go any further back, you see. Do you know why? You can.
Leafy leaves are green. Oh, leave the leaves, let them be. Oh, leafy leaves are green. Leave the leaves, let them be.
What?
Leafy leaves are green. Oh, leave the leaves, let them be. Leafy leaves. What was that? Leafy. Leafy leaves are green. No,
That's
it's
even worse.
Why?
No.
Leafy leaves are green. Oh, leave the leaves, let them be. Leafy leaves are green. Oh, leave the leaves, let them be. Down your elbows! Oh, leafy leaves are green. Yeah, leave the leaves, let them be. Leafy leaves are green. Leave the leaves, let them be. But why are they green? But that was okay. Oh, leafy leaves are green. Yeah, leave the leaves, let them be. Leafy leaves are green. Later it's light and day. But why are they green?
I was so proud. I called my son from Jamaica and told him the whole story. He was very, very, very proud.
Was he? Yes. Yes, he was. Voldemort is coming for you.
Don't say the name or else he will come.
All over here, Mom. Sorry, that was inappropriate.
Yeah, it wasn't appropriate.
Voldemort's not your dad, you know. It's not right to. I think he'd be insulted. I think
He's obviously not my dad 'cause he's got no nose.
Who knows, eh? Who knows? Not Voldemort.
Anyway, I'm gonna go and get them to gate crash.
You will gate crash.
Now that I'm all alone, he doesn't know what I could be up to. I could be up to anything. I could be making potato cream pie, or singing this here song.
Lunchtime is coming.
I'm not sure saying she's a slag, but when it comes to open legs, she's in the top 5.
I can't hear you.
I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to pull the baby out of your vagina. I know you can't hear me. And you can't lip read either because the thing's not on the screen.
Cause chlorophyll
That's not the tune.
rejects. Hey, this is the tune.
It's
I'm afraid you're mistaken.
And that was the tune I was singing.
No, it wasn't. He was going to my do 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 do.
No, it wasn't.
He was.
I was saying.
That's even worse than what I just did.
No, it's not.
It really is.
you just went do.
No, that's Call of Duty. Stop it.
Thanks for the background sound effects. Is that the wind?
I'll kill you.
WMD or something?
Shut up before I do kill you. The chlorophyll makes the leaves green. 'Cause chlorophyll rejects the green. It reflects it into your eyes.
I don't know if it's in tune or not, but the point is that it does need to be louder.
But why are they green?
I knew you was gonna do that. I can't trust you to not scream, can I? Just don't scream.
The chlorophyll makes the leaves green. 'Cause chlorophyll rejects the green. Wow!
Sorry, you not screaming startled me.
The chlorophyll makes the leaves green. 'Cause chlorophyll rejects the green. It reflects it into your eyes. 'Cause chlorophyll rejects the green. Why carrots orange?
Why are carrots orange?
Why are carrots orange?
I love it, it's fantastic.
He's a terrible singer. Let's not tell him. I'm the best singer. I am totally not auto-tuning him.
It sounds shit. Well,
What does?
I don't know.
There's no good way of saying why a carrot's orange.
Why are carrots green? I'm gonna redo it because it's crap. It's absolutely bad. It's terrible, like your mum and dad. So, shove it up your ass and give it all the gas that comes out of your ass when you eat all them beans, because you're mean to your spleen when you look at Sam and Dean doing their hunting with their is there a word that rhymes with hunting? Shopping rhymes with hunting. They both end in ing.
And we jacks it into your eyes. So why are carrots orange? For some reason, that doesn't work. No, it doesn't work at all. That was clever. Did you see the way I turned the word does into doesn't? You know, it's that doesn't work. And it makes you think I'm going to say does, but I say doesn't because it's a play on words. So I hope you found that funny because it was supposed to be funny.
Fucking.
This is our replacement
Wow.
Luke. Isn't it?
Yes.
It's our replacement Luke. He's much cooler. Aren't you, Tom? He said yes.
I listened to it.
What's the lyrics? That's Ellis. Remember he said orticles.
I love it.
Cause chlorophyll rejects the green.
Try mouse voice.
And reject.
Mouse do you know, computer?
Wait, are the blue bits mine again?
If you want him to be.
Rap God by Eminem.
Eventually,
Rap God.
this will actually kill you.
What's on?
You must grab him by his horns. Then we have a big party.
Then we have a big party.
Throw the Jew down the well.
Throw the Jew down the well.
So my country can be free.
So my country can be free.
You must grab him by his horns.
You must grab him by his horns.
Then we have a big party.
Then we have a big party.
Thank you.
Oh no.
Taylor Swift, call me maybe.
It's Carly Rae Jepsen.
You idiot! You freaking idiot!
What?
What is happening?
It's Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift. Call. Oh my god, that exists.
Yeah.
What?
Hey, I just met you.
Yeah, but it's Carly Rae Jepsen.
And this is crazy.
Call me maybe that exists.
Oh
What?
my god, click on it. Oh, Bart Baker's
Do it.
parody.
I've just got an amazing tactic on how to win. I'm an idiot.
It's the exact same one.
Why, lady? I love you. I still love you. Why?
The carotene.
Bow, 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 bow. Oh, like a cockatoo.
Looks like you've had a
Hey, you got a
cockatoo.
cockatoo. Hey!
You did have that coming to you.
You're right.
Yes, you
So
did.
you.
Okay, so you two had a cock at each other.
Can't fight.
Lightsaber fight.
Yeah, we did. Who wants to record the leave the leaves? Leaves are green. Leave the leaves. Let them be. But how did it rain? You do it.
Who does it? You do it. Yeah. Hi, my name's Lewis Peters, and I am.
He's the
Lewis.
second best Lewis in this room, Pete.
Oh.
It will slowly kill you.
Leafy leaves. Leaves are green. Leave the leaves. Let them be. But how they brave. Just like that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Leaves are green. Leaves, leaves, leaves. How did he breathe? Leave, I fucked up. I don't care. Leaves, leaves, leaves. Leaves, he leaves.
What?
Leaves the leaves. Leave the leaves. I have French. Leave the leaves. I need some for my snails. With those hand gestures as fit.
Leafy leaves.
Leave the leaves.
Leaves
No.
are leaves. It
No.
says leafy
Leave
leaves.
the leaves. It's
You-
mine is leave the leaves.
You,
Someone screwed it up. And it went us
It
this
says leafy leaves.
Someone's
Yeah.
a dickhead.
Leafy leaves, comma. Leaves are green, comma. Leave the leaves, comma.
Okay, yes, I was wrong.
Comma.
Why'd you delete it?
Chameleon.
Wrong one.
Leafy leaves. Leaves are green.
Shut up.
Leave the leaves. Let them be. Ooh.
I say leaves are green.
Oh, I thought. Never mind then. Leafy leaves.
Leaves are green. Leave the leaves. But how did it be?
I blame.
Alright.
Leafy leaves.
Leaves are green. Leave the leaves.
Leave them be.
How do they breathe? Leafy leaves.
Leave them be. That was wrong.
Leafy leaves.
Leaves are green.
Leave the leaves. Leave them be.
But how do they breathe? Leaf.
Okay, Cal.
It's playing something. It's playing a song.
What? Why?
It's playing. What? What? Shit! You press this and it plays the song. What the fuck? What? I've got the song loaded into my earphones.
That were a bit loud.
That's What? I'm scared.
Why is he doing this? He says he's stopping this going. It's not that one. It's a ghost! The ghost of Appenbach. Gosh. I would stop it, but there's one problem. And there's nothing to stop. There's nothing to stop!
Leaves are green. Yeah, leave the leaves, let them be. Leaves are green.
You tapping?
Leave the leaves, let them be.
Sounds a bit tapping.
But why are they green?
Mine's still echoing. You made it really
This
good
color
as well.
makes it green.
Yeah. Look, just put effects on it.
The color makes
Put the
it
effects on
green.
that. But mine's more echoing.
This color rejects the green.
Yours sounded okay before.
It did.
And rejects it into your eyes. So why a color's orange?
I love it.
What did you put in there? That was brilliant.
Leave the leaves, leave the green, leave the leaves, leave the leaves, behind the green. He's over again.
A bit of a rap solo there. I'm a rap god.
I don't know what parts of that we're getting.
Well, what we need to do is get used to Cubase.
Yeah, that might be the aim of today.
Yeah.
Right,
so
so
how
let's-
do you work today, child?
So what do you want?
Oh shit, it goes up in odd numbers. Right, we're screwed. It
What?
goes up in odd numbers.
What?
Oh, it's
Ow!
You can probably... Can you change it?
I can't do this.
Odd numbers?
I don't like Cubase.
Odd numbers?
This hurts.
How odd?
Odd numbers? What are odd numbers though?
Oh, that's upsetting my OCD.
Ah, no. No, I can't do it.
I feel like a princess!
Josh, sorry.
I'm the drummer though.
No,
you're not.
You're not.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
No.
We don't even have a drummer, you spastics.
Jake Fields.
No.
Jake Fields is the actual
Please
drummer,
leave.
and then William Walsham does the recorded drumming.
Fine.
Hey, Lewis, did you tell her, Josh? Yeah.
Bye, Josh.
See ya.
Burners.
That's love.
Sorry.
I don't even know anymore.
Sensitive to criticism? Yes. Can be pessimistic?
Lee.
Anyway, right. Oh, there we go. Right. So, it's like been probably very nearly a year since we were last in here. So this is me and Foxhole signing off the last time we will ever be in this studio together. Foxhole, would you like to say something, or would you just like to cry?
I just want to cry.
Just want to cry. All the memories.
All these memories.
All the gigabytes.
This is the best room in the UTC.
Yeah, cry every time. I look like I'm crying, but I'm not. It's just the camera. Look.
I swear I'm not crying.
No, he actually is.
Still feels like a cage. Love's just a camouflage for what resembles rage again. So if you love me, let me go and run away before I know. My heart is just too dark to care. I can't destroy what isn't there. Deliver me into my fate. If I'm alone, I cannot hate. I don't deserve to have you. My smile was taken long ago. If I can change, I hope I never know. I still press your letters to my lips and cherish them in parts of me that savor every kiss. I couldn't face a life without your light. But all of that was ripped apart when you refused to fight. So save your breath, I will not hear. I think I made it very clear. You couldn't hate enough to love.
Potato.
Turn it off!
I just hate when you can't get it off.
Look at my button. Look at my, can you see my button? Ah, we started.
Look like you
Oh,
love
shit.
me, but the baby just wanted to fuck my...
God, baby, just fuck me.
That's all I ever... All I ever wanted was to see you smiling. All I ever wanted was to make you mine.
Comfortable.
I love you, oh baby, what you say? That all I ever wanted was you and me. All I ever wanted was to see you smiling. And all I ever wanted was to make you mine. I know that I love you, oh baby, what you say? And all I ever wanted was you and me.
Instrumental! Yeah!
I'm performing my penis in my ear.
That's not, it's a tradition, fuck out! Fuck out!
Everyone always pays me.
Right, well, you sing on homo.